Working with structural engineering software and got an HLD file? This is from Structural Desktop, a specialized engineering application for building design. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these structural desktop files. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any HLD file. Let's try the simple solutions first. HLD files are project files created by Structural Desktop, a specialized software application used for structural engineering and building design. They contain complete project data, including structural members, loads, connections, analysis results, and drawing information used in building engineering workflows. HLD files use a proprietary format specific to Structural Desktop, storing structural data as object collections with member definitions, material properties, load specifications, and analysis parameters. The structure preserves complete engineering project state for accurate reproduction within Structural Desktop. The standard opener for HLD is known to be Autodesk AutoCAD, developed by Autodesk Inc. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows isn't built to read full CAD specifications, so full access depends on specialty modeling applications. Your first step to success: right-click the HLD file and choose Open With. If Autodesk AutoCAD is installed, try it first. If you don't see it, pick a different tool. You might need to try a couple to find the ideal match. If your HLD file is not opening yet, that is normal. We're facing a complicated HLD error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, opening in Structural Desktop. Launch Structural Desktop and use File then Open to load the HLD file. The application reconstructs the complete structural project with all members, loads, and analysis data intact, ready for review, modification, or output of construction drawings and engineering reports. Next, exporting drawings. Within Structural Desktop, use the export function to generate DXF, DWG, or PDF drawings from the HLD project. These standard formats open in AutoCAD, Revit, or PDF viewers, enabling collaboration with project teams who don't have Structural Desktop installed. Finally, contacting software support. If Structural Desktop is unavailable, contact the software vendor for assistance accessing HLD files. Specialized engineering software vendors often provide viewer applications or migration paths, enabling continued access to historical project data and engineering analysis results. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.